Hello guys, welcome you all. We are proudly launching the 5 days WhatsApp session very soon. Like we have started this on February month of now. We have started this YouTube channel on February month, but still we are in doing a successive trading, and people are making a consistent profit on all trading days, like with the maximum profits with the minimum number of losses. So people are ending the month with some with like a monthly salary. They are having a very good profit at the end of the month, and they are making a very consistent, like so I'm probably I'm sharing the my feedbacks to everyone, like still the people who have purchased an indicator and setups and strategies, everything is working perfect. And if they have properly managed their money, it was becoming a very good success for them. Meanwhile, through the success, I would like to add some value to the, by adding, where people are doing some mistakes, like, adding, getting the indicators, but without following any money management, like they people with the greediness, they are booking some losses. So, to help them, okay, I would like to launching a 5 days WhatsApp session. So, this is the session. Like I'm next week at November 11th. I have a plan to start a session at November 9th. Okay, we have planned to start an weekday session. So the agenda is like many people are like I'm getting a call from stock tip providers and data providers. Like many people are like paying monthly service charges to the stock tip providers. Like the reason is when we have some profitable trading setup, then we don't need to worry about our we don't need to worry about the confident level of our activities in trading. Okay, when we get our full confidence, we don't need any support from any stock tips advisories or paid tips providers, like no one. It's like the thing is like without paying monthly service, like we can having some very easy of methodologies, like how the trading psychology works. So if we get to know everything, we can easily book some good profits. We can make a consistent profits at the end of the month. So the agenda is like my profitable trading system is set up is to make consistent profits, to generate a profitable monthly income, and to design and live the life of your own dreams. So this is my goals, this is my end of the goals. When I'm completing the course, people need to get more confidence. They had to be trade very they had to be trade very independently without following any tips providers. Okay, so that is the main agenda, and that is my main goals to trading setup, goals to like hit in that after end of the week. So the trading setup to hit 1 lakh goal. So this is my goal. Like the agenda is like it is not it is not very easy to achieve in a 1 month. So the people need to get practice. Like in the training session, I will give you some hints and tricks to make some successive and to make some getting a good profit. Okay, so this trading setup is true for both advanced traders and beginners. Both of them can use this. And in the day one, how the trading terminology works and its hidden secrets. And in the day two, how to identify the pattern and to trade with the full confidence using my backtested strategy. And the day three is how to generate a monthly income without taking a risk using my backtested strategy. And the day four is how to choose the right trading methods and applying the best strategy in all segments. And the day five is how to build a profitable trading setup with my powerful backtested strategy. So when you cover all these 5 day session, okay, in WhatsApp, like this will be a recordable session. At 4 days will be a recordable sessions. I will share the videos in WhatsApp, and I will give you some tasks. Okay, and I will give you some tasks to make you practice in the 5 days and to build some confidence level. So that is my goal, right? I want to build some confidence you to take a trade after the 5 days of completion course. So that is my main agenda. So I want everyone to participate in this 5 days WhatsApp session. And the course suggestions, I plan to give the course just at 699, but from the basic level, like to test my backtest strategies, I'm launching like a first 10 people the 5 days WhatsApp class completely free. And it's only for 299 for the next upcoming peoples. So the batch is getting starts on November 9th, but the launchings, the launching of courses, it promotions, it is getting delayed. So I have planned to start the course launches at November 9th to November 13th. Okay, so all you need to do is you have to join my WhatsApp group, and you have to confirm your presence by paying the amount just to rupees 299. through my Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm. You can visit my Insta Mojito link for the product access and everything. Next is the to make the benefit, like to encourage the people to learn. Okay, to encourage the people to learn, I'm providing a free paid indicator to them for to get a free paid trade. I mean, to get a free paid trading indicator, they can trade like as an intraday. They can do scalping, they can do trade in futures, and they can do on many aspects of using this using of a paid indicator. This will be completely working in trading view. I will show you the demo how to set up and all those stuffs. I will explain in a video in the upcoming session. And the setup is like, you have to, I have given you the RCB trend trader script to you all, who those who have purchased and those who have paid, and the beta testers. I have given the RCB text. The strategies has been scripted in a Pine script. Okay, I have given you a notepad file. In that notepad file, you will be get to know that the scripts will be launched there. So the main advantages of the script is it will work based on the price action, and it will be the trade will be happened only when the breakout is happening. Okay, so how do we know that the breakout is going to happen? So everything will be explained in May, and I will show you the demo now. Okay, so let me share the screen now. Okay, let me share the screen, like let me share the notepad screen now. So this is the screen, like, this is the script that you will get to upgrade into the Pine editor in the TradingView websites. Okay, so things you need to know is, like, you have to open the notepad, click Control A, and then copy this script here. Okay, just copy, then moving to the TradingView indicator. Okay, and in the bottom of the screen, you will came to see that there will be a Pine indicator. Okay, you just expand it here, you remove all those things, and then click here and paste it. Okay, then click on save, and then click add to the chart. Okay, once if you add to the chart, you will ask the script name. You can have some other name, like trade setup, like that. You can have some name for trading view, and then click on save it. Okay, so you can have the Pine script here. So the Pine script is like, go to the Pine editor, and you can remove the existed one, and then you can paste it. Okay, now the trend trader script will be updated here. Okay, now you can minimize it. Okay, then the pattern will be like this. Then what you need to do is choose the candle time to 5 minutes. Then you need to go for functions and choose exponential moving average. Like here you can choose exponential moving average. Choose moving average exponential. Okay, you can choose this one. And after choosing this one, you will get to know that there will be a line will be placed on the price patterns. Okay, and then click on settings, and then have the input as EA length is 9 and source is close. Okay, I can have the style as some other color, like you can put some dark color here. Okay, you can have some styles like this. And then lines, you can have some default line, anything you can else you can have it. Okay, then click on OK. The opacity you can increase, and thickness you going to increase. Then you can understand that how the levels is going to be. Then again open one more exponential moving average, then type it again, moving exponential. Okay, you can, if you type it in the search bar, you will get it, the moving average exponential thing. Click on it. Okay, then it will become here. Okay, again go for settings, give some other color, like some dark color. Choose some dark color and give some thickness and opacity. Okay, then click OK. So everything will be done here. uh, Here, once if completed means, then you can go with the next one. So let me have some different color here, so that it will get some difference. Okay, So once you have crossed all those lines, okay, so once you have written all those lines, so this will be look like this, okay. So I will tell you the strategy, how well you can use this exponential moving average of 29. I mean, this is 9, and another one is exponential moving average should be 20. The length should be 20. So you have to use two moving averages. One is EMA 9 close, and another one is EMA 20 close. Okay, you can use both the moving average for your design perspective. So we have to trade only on the breakout. So we are going to follow only the breakout pattern. Okay, so based on the breakout only, we are going to use it. So based on the standards, we are going to apply the principles, and from the principles only we have to just work on it. Okay, it is not getting set up. I'm reducing the opacity now so that the color will be get different. Done. So here what you need to do is like here in the bottom of the window, you have to work. You have to just scale it out to 0.20. Okay, you have to scale it out to 0.20 minus 0.20 to 0.20. Okay, that's why you have to in that length only you have to work it on the breakout strategy. So in this strategy, like you have to follow some colors, right? Here you can able to see that colors. So this is the line. Okay, this is the line which is a point two. Okay, you have to adjust it. Okay, you have to adjust it by like doing so. Okay, so this line is for a 0.020. This line is a 0.020. Okay, this line is a plus a negative, I mean positive 2.0, positive 0.20. This is a negative 2.20. Okay, done. You can have some set like some lines like upper limit 0.20 is some different color. You can have some different color also. You can do it so that you will get to know that what you are going to change is like that you can understand. So your range should be on like this. Okay, so when we have to take a trade, okay, when we have to take a trade, so I want to show you some example in live market. So whenever the breakout is happening, okay, whenever the breakout is happening in this minus 0.20, okay, we should be the breakout, all the breakout should be happen between this, like whenever this line, this blue line, okay, whenever blue line it crosses this one, whenever the blue line crosses the bottom of the minus 0.20, you have to go for buy. Okay, see in this condition, if you go for buy here, okay, this condition, if you go for buy here, you will have a very good profit here. Okay, here you will get a buy here. Okay, see when those two moving averages, the price should be crosses above this two moving average, the body of the price should be crosses above those two moving averages. Okay, see here if you take a trade, you will get a huge profit like this. Here we get a crossover happening. If we take a trade here, we can book some huge profit up to here. Okay, okay, I will taking the call at here. Whenever this line crosses this minus 0.20, I will, my target is this one. My target is the 0.20. Okay. Once the target has been reached, I will book some profit and then I will exit. Okay. Meanwhile, to for a reverse, how do we get to take a trade is whenever this plus 2.0, there is a 0.2.0 get is a crossover, like whenever this color of the blue line is going to change it to the pink line, so you have to take a sell call here. Okay, so if you take a sell call at here, okay, whenever this, and meanwhile, the moving average should be, and the price should be for flow in the bottom of the moving average. Okay, so it should be like this. So it should be like this. Here you have to exit the position. So you have to sell at 2097. So if you have to take a sell call at 2097, you can book some huge profit at 2081 and then you can exit the position. So this is for HDFC I'm showing here. Let me take one more example for Kotak Bank. So today is 5th. So Kotak Bank, we don't get a chances to take a trade because it is already in the uptrend. So we don't get a chances to trade it here. In 0.20, we don't have any breakouts here. So we should avoid this trading. Okay, because it is already raised. Okay, it is already raised. It is already, above this moving average. We don't get a chances to take a trade. See, there is a fall. There is a fall. This is will be giving the indicator is giving the fall. Like it will calculate it based on the NIS value. That is, it will be calculated based on the price and actions of that the trend and the moving averages. Okay, so based on that, it will be calculated automatically and produce the results. So we should take a right entry. If people are worrying about the right entry, we have to go for 0.20 and you got to exit in 0.20. We have to look for only opportunities between 0.20 and 0.20. See here, I'm getting an opportunity to take a trade yesterday. It is in the uptrend here. I will take a trade here. Okay. Now I will book some huge profit at here. Then I will exit here. So whenever this happenings, like whenever this see now the chances to getting a fall down. Whenever this line crosses here 0.20, I will take one more sell call. Okay, the positive positive 0.20. Okay, the negative 0.20 is crossover is not open. Whenever this crossover is happened, you have to pick a right entry and then you can exit it. That is the right entry. So this will avoid the volatility. So in the above, if you have take a trade, it will avoid the volatility. The volatility, we should not take a trade above this 0.20 and we should not take below this minus 0.20. So this is the condition. It filters the volatility of the complete market. Okay, let me show you one more example. So in IndusInd band, it is above this level, so we should not take a trade because it is already high. It might have chances to fall down, so we should not take a trade here. Then IndusInd Bank. Sorry, Justdale. See, Justdale, we got a very good opportunity to take a call here. It is believing the blue line is crossing over the pink line. So I will have a chances to take a call at here. So if we take a sell call at here, like my point is 609. Okay, I will take a sell call at 609 at 5 minutes. Okay, I would have chances to book a profit up here. So I will have a chances to book a profit up here. Okay, the trend is going to cut it down. Okay, so 603. So I will take a call at I will take the call at here 610. I will book profit at 603. Okay. So in this way, you can safely trade. Okay, without it filters the volatility. You should not worry about the volatility. You should not worry about the fluctuations of the particular prices. So don't need to worry about. So it will be filters the volatility. So the strategies which I am producing to you is like more back tested and which avoids more filters in the losses. So that is why I'm just saying that building the confidence is more important when taking the trade or when taking the strategies. Then one more thing is HCL Tech. Let me take one more example. HCL Tech is getting falling down. So the trend is already down. So here picking the right entry is here. Okay, at here. Okay, so if you're picking the right entry, it is going to fall down. Okay, it should be the price should be fall down. Okay, so the market is seems to be volatile. It is going the sideways. So like that you can take a trade. So whenever the point to zero crosses, you have to take a trade. So here we should not take a trade. We should avoid trading. You can apply for Nifty too. Okay, you can apply for Nifty too. So whenever this happening, whenever this 0.20 crosses above, you can go for buy. Whenever this 0.20 crosses down, you can go for a sell. Okay. Here here I don't get an opportunity to take a trade. Here if it crosses the above, here if you can take wins, and you can book some good profit and you can exit here. Again, it comes falling down. Okay. Even if it comes down, you can exit here. See here again, you have to check the crossover only between this 0.20 and between this one. Okay, here I'm getting a crossover here. Okay, I'm looking for sell. So here, if I get taking a sell, I will get a good profit here. I'll book some huge profit for just here and Glenmark. Glenmark also here I'm booking a profit of sell call. I will take a sell call at here 500. It made low of 497. Again, it going back to upside. So here in it breaks above. So here you can buy here. So like that, you can go for buy and sell. Okay, so this indicator will be used whenever the range of 0.20 and minus 0.20, whenever the crosses happens, you have to take a trade. That is a breakout strategy. Whenever the breakout is happening here, you can take a trade. Whenever the breakout is above this one, you can take a buy call. Whenever this breakout is happened below this one, you can take a sell call. So I have shown some example here. So based on that, you can take a trade. So here, it is having the 0.20 is crossing down. You can take a sell call here. Here it is crossing in above. You can take a buy. You can take a profit and exit. Okay. So based on that only, you have to take a trade. So here again, it crosses the 0.20 downline. You can go for sell. Okay. And below this, you should not take a trade. Below this, if it comes below this 0.20, if breakout happening below this 0.20, you should not take a trade. And meanwhile, if the breakout is happening above this, you should not take it. Always focus on here. Like if it is focused on minus 0.202, if you are finding a blue color line, if the crosses the minus 0.20, you can go for buy. If the pink color line is for breaking out the upper line, you can go for a sell. Okay, based on that, you have to take a trade. See, it is completely following the sideways, so we should avoid trading here. Okay, so guys, make use of it, and like this, and I will give you one more offers. Like once you're completing the course, I will give you one more offer for the upcoming indicators and trading view indicators. I hope we all see in my WhatsApp Friday classes. Thank you, guys.